Okay, so you got your whole tub all waterproofed and it's all ready to go except for this corner here, which technically is outside the water or the wet area. But typically what you find is if you don't waterproof this area down here, over time when water drips along it, it will get wet and it'll get soft and the sheetrock will get moldy and rot away. So what you need to do is make sure that you always bring your tile out at least a couple of inches beyond the tub and make sure you waterproof it. I haven't put this on here, I just want to show you what I have here. So I got this banding that I am going to put on here and make sure this is all completely waterproof all down here, so if water drips down here it will not affect the sheetrock and rot away. If you're not using a sheet membrane or a hydrovan board or a foam board of any kind and you use a liquid applied waterproofing membrane, make sure you bring your liquid applied waterproofing membrane out beyond the tub and you tile down the side of the tub so that you don't get any water dripping down there, because it will drip over time and you get that sheetrock will rot away. You want to avoid that. I used to be one of those guys that would do that would end the tile right at the edge of the tub, but over time I learned that you really can't do that. You have to bring the tile out beyond the tub to avoid having problems with the sheetrock that touches the tub. Okay, so that's on all the way up and down, and on this side as well. So that sheetrock over there is protected.